a leader who will not let her people down. She will fight for you. So, dahil si Inday ay by the book, which is part of her strength and weakness. So, bahala na siya kung paano niya ibabalance yung weakness and strength part ng being by the book. Okay? Dahil, hindi naman ako si Inday, hindi naman ako magiging presidente if ever, no? So, problema mo na yung girl. Pero yun naman sasabi ko. So the difference between when I interviewed her and now, she was telling who she was during my interview, but now she's showing who she is as a leader. Decisive, has a very strong sense of ownership, and a leader who will not let her people down. She will fight for you. So, yun na yun. Inday will fight for you. Yun ang pinakita niyo dun sa kanyang mga tao. She will fight for you. Basta gumawa ka ng tama, she will fight for you. And that, my friends, is an astig. Astig!